going to be 0 equals x squared minus 2. So now that's done, your second step is going to be to add 2 to each side, which is going to give you x squared equals 2. Then you're going to take the square root of each side, which is going to give you x equals positive or negative 2. And so your x-intercept is obviously going to be 2 or negative square root of 2. So now that your points are 2 and now that we have found the x-intercepts, it's time to find the y-intercept. So what you have to do is you have to set your x equals to 0 so you can solve for y. So you're going to take the exact same equation, y equals x squared minus 2, and turn that into y equals 0 squared minus 2, which defeats the whole purpose because y is going to equal negative 2, and you found your y-intercept, which equals negative 2.
Oh, hello. I'm Patrick JMT. I work at a community college.
Patrick!
Hold on, Grandma. That's my grandma. No, wait, my girlfriend. Cut that. Grandma, I'll be up in 5 minutes to play dominoes.
Example 8 is graphing a circle. So the first thing you're going to do in a basic equation for graphing a circle is going to be x squared plus y squared equals 25. So your solution here is to rewrite the equation as x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. But now that you have your 5 squared, all that shows you is that your radius is equal to 5 units away from your center. So by the time you graph it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to be 5 units away from the center.
Alright, so this is finding the equation of a circle. And so you take the diameter of the endpoints, P, which would be 1/8, and Q, which is 5, negative 6. And so you first observe that the center is the midpoint of the diameter. So you take the two endpoints and you get the midpoint formula. So it would be 1 plus 5 over 2, comma 8 minus 6 over 2. And that gives you 3, comma 1. So those are your coordinates, 3, 1. Or that's your center, 3, 1. And you then take the center and one of the points, and you use the distance formula to determine the radius. So if you took point P, you would do 3 minus 1, or sorry, square root 3 minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 8 squared, and then you'd get the square root of 53. And so therefore the equation of the circle, which is x minus h, y minus k, or y minus k squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So therefore it is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to the square root of 53 squared. Or you can just rewrite that, x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 53. Alright, so the equation x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y plus 7 equals 0 represents a circle. We want to find the center and the radius of the circle. So first you group the x terms, which would be x squared plus 2x plus 7 equals 0, and then you group the y terms. So y squared minus 6y plus 7 equals 0, and then you can just